Copper, aluminum. Still using copper? You might be losing millions. Is rising copper cost eating into your HVAC margins? You're not alone in many plants. Copper 等于 over 50% of production expense. If you're really looking for ways to cut costs without compromising performance, VVE got answers. So here is the question: can aluminum really replace copper? Yes, and it is already happening. Leading HVAC manufacturers are switching to aluminum, slashing material costs by 30%到60%. Aluminum costs just 1/3 of copper. Aluminum alone isn't enough. What unlocks its potential? AI vision systems that monitor flame dynamics in real time, closed-loop thermal control that adapts to material behavior, and integrated production lines built for consistency. Together, they turn aluminum into a high-performance, cost-smart alternative without compromise. Switching to aluminum powered by AI vision, precision brazing, and automated control delivers 3 game-changing wins: 30%到60% lower material cost, up to 40% weight reduction in heat exchangers, higher throughput yield thanks to stable, scalable welding. We help HVAC factories upgrade from copper to aluminum, with complete brazing machines and turnkey production lines. Send us your product drawings or requirements, and we will provide a customized solution within 24 hours.